Y'all, I couldn't even hold in the tears. I was crying like a baby with my son. Like, I was crying. And Chris was there too. And at first he was like, babe, he'll be alright. Da da da. But when he seen me crying and then he seen baby CJ kicking, like crying the whole time, he was kicking, screaming. He was in pain. And he said he had to hold back from crying too. And y'all might be like, it's just a dentist. Like, it's not that serious. But y'all don't understand. My baby never been to the dentist. He 2 years old. Yeah. Oh, I thought Chris called me. He never been to the studio. I mean, he never been to the dentist, and he only 2, and he did not know what was going on. Like, he thought somebody was gonna hurt him. Like, so this was his first time, so I was emotional, y'all. He got silver caps put on. He had decay on his teeth. That's why he had to go. And the decay came from when he was 1. I took him off the bottle, but up until then, he would like this boy could not go to sleep without the bottle. He always wanted milk, milk, milk. And since I had took him off the Enfamil, he couldn't have regular milk, so I had to give him almond milk, which had more sugar in it. And every night when he would drink that, it would just, start to decay his teeth. But he was crying and screaming without the bottle at night. So I just, gave it to him so he could always sleep well. And then, I guess as he got older, I seen his teeth browning at the top. So they got the decay off, and then they put silver crowns over. Somebody said, please stop talking. If you don't want to hear me talk, then get off my live. Here, I'll do you a favor and block you, okay? So you don't have to see my live. There you go. I'm no longer talking. But how are you guys doing? How was y'all Thanksgivings?